Hi, property prices now in the Canary Islands are up a whopping 80% in 10 years. I'm fairly sure that wages and salaries have barely moved in the same time. Back in 10 years ago, an average apartment of about 80 square meters would have cost you 111,000. Today, that same property, that same 80 square meter apartment will cost you 197,000. Now, the Canaries were only, they were saw the second highest increase in Spain at that time. Only the Balearic Islands saw a bigger increase in the last 10 years, and their property prices went up by a staggering 109%. Now, there was a housing boom here in Spain in the early 2000s. It peaked around 2006, 2007, I think, and then it all collapsed. Now, today the Canary Islands are only one of three regions in Spain where prices are higher than the peak just before the collapse in 0607, and prices here are 25% more than when that peak of that housing bubble was reached back in 0607.